What's up YouTube, welcome back to the GS550 video. So, last time we left off, we were getting the frame ready and everything else, and got it pretty much ready for paint or powder coat, depending on what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. I might just paint it. But what I wasn't able to film was welding the seat hoop on. The other GoPro I had stopped working completely. It just wouldn't stay charged, and it wouldn't record sometimes. Sometimes it'd not record, and sometimes it would record. Never knew when it was. The red light would still be on. But as you can see, it's all welded up and blended together nicely for the hoop. And working on getting seat pan and cowl made, and doing the electronics tray too, and I have it sitting in the frame here, all this space, and probably a little bit of space at least to here. I'm not sure if I want to go all the way in the back or not, but I know this much is going to be a tray in the bottom. I might make the cowl, I might make the seat pan come down a little bit, at least to this edge here, and let's get to it. So, like I said, I did have some issues with the camera, and I did get, might blind the crap out of the camera, but I did get some of the cowl metal shaped and cut out. So it's going to be right there, and the seat pan's going to go there to make the seat pan. Another thing I did get done was just figured out where I wanted the seat to be at. I want the seat pan. I don't want a full one that goes all the way back. I thought I did, but I don't at the same time. And so what I did was I brought it back to where I thought the cowl should start. And right where the hoop is actually at is where I'm going to make the cowl. And the seat, the back itself, is going to lean back a little bit. And the cowl's going to go right through here. And I'm going to make it out of sheet metal. So hopefully we can get the bends and everything we need for the top of the cowl. And right now I'm going to make the template for the seat pan itself. I'm going to cut it out. And this is fairly thin metal. Probably got way too thin of a metal. It's not like it's paper thin or anything, but it's thinner than what I probably should have used. But it should work. If not, we'll double it up or use this as a template for the next one. So what we're going to do now is measure a little bit for an edge for a lip. So we do like 5/8. Just gonna go around and measure 5/8 all the way around. Just doing a quick mark, that way we can run a straight edge across and meet them. We're not going to go all the way back where the seat's going to bend up. It's going to be met by a different spot. So just the flat areas. Straight edge. Attempt to line up the majority of these really close to each other. Straight line there, but cardboard's not straight to I'm gonna have to notch this spot when we get to it, because it's at an angle a little bit, so it's not gonna roll right. And then to find where this is gonna bend at the top, pretty much just gonna take this piece that we cut for the part of the cowl. Original mark it. That's where it should bend up. And that's where we're going to stop our. That's where we're going to stop our marks. Cutting the outside. Alright, so I am going to be wearing ear protection, which is my shooting ears here. They're adjustable, and they work really well for this too. Now is getting closer to the line at the top and get those notches I was talking about. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this sanding disc, lap wheel, go around the edge, get it closer to the line I wanted, and clean up the burrs on it. So pretty much what I'm going to try to do now is try to bend this edge over. I'm going to use this piece of plywood that I have as my tabletop, sitting on top of my table saw. I decided not to cut that edge out yet, just to see if I can bend it and get it to actually go in the right direction.